Remember, we said that there is two kind of fish: halal fish with skin, with a scale on the skin, and we said there is another fish that is not halal, like catfish, with smooth skin, no scale on the skin. Now, for the fish that is not halal, okay, the fish that is not halal, just as the meat, the flesh, is the fish itself is haram, all the products are also haram to consume, meaning to eat or drink. For example, the oil. The oil made out of this haram fish is also haram to eat. It's not haram to apply to your hand, but it is haram to eat. So if I have to apply to my hand, that's fine, then I can wash it afterward. But it is haram for me to eat. Just like the fish itself is haram, the other products of this fish, such as oil, such as eggs, or anything else made out of that fish, is also haram to eat.
So when you eat it, you become najis for what, 40 days?
No. No, there is no such a thing. No, there is no such a thing. Again, we have to always differentiate between myths and fact.
They say that if you drink alcohol,
No,
you're najis for
that's not true. That's not true. If someone drinks alcohol, is not najis. He's not najis.
Well, you can't sully.
No, don't give that fatwa, please. Don't give that fatwa. Don't give that fatwa. You have to salli. You have to pray. You have to do wudu, and you're not najis. All it says that the reward set for his prayer will be reduced for 40 days.
Oh, that's what it is.
Meaning, instead of getting full credit for his prayer, for 40 days he may not get full credit.
For 40 days.
For 40 days. That doesn't mean he is literally najis, then if I touch him, I am najis. Nor it means he has to stop praying. Same thing, if I went now to McDonald's and I ate haram sandwich, am I najis? No. What do you mean I'm najis? If someone touches me, he becomes najis? No. I'm still pure. I still have to pray, but what I did was a sin. Was a sin. It was a sin. And maybe I will not get full credit for my prayer. I'm not sure about the halal haram meat, but I know there is a hadith for the wine. If someone drinks wine, he will get reduced credit for reward for his prayer for 40 days. I'm not sure about the halal meat. I cannot make comment. Yes.
So just to clarify, the haram fish is haram, but it's not najis.
It's not najis, and it is not haram to use it in other than eating it. So if I use it as a lotion, that's fine. I can use it like a lotion. But I cannot eat it. The prohibition is centered on the consumption, eating. Now,
If I buy like fish fingers, I have to look at the ingredients if it's catfish or any other kind of fish.
yes. Yes. Whenever you buy fish, whenever you this is one of the places you need to verify. Remember what we said the other day about fish. We said fish, in order to be halal, it has to be taken alive after, fishing. It has to die outside the water, not inside the water, which is almost verified here in this country. They don't allow dynamite. But there is another condition for you to consume this fish, that you need to make sure it has a scale on the skin. So when I go to McDonald's, yes, the meat is not halal in McDonald's. The chicken is not halal. But the fish, if it has a scale on the skin, is halal. Or Burger King, it's halal. As long as it is from a fish that has a scale, I need to verify that part. I need to verify that the fish I am eating is halal fish that has a scale. How do? I ask the guy. I usually ask. Anywhere I go and I have to eat fish, I ask the restaurant, what kind of fish? And usually they are good in this country. They tell you what kind of fish is. I find out. If I don't know whether this has scale or not, alhamdulillah, now Ayatollah Google is around me, and immediately I can go to Google and just make a very quick search, and it tells me if it has a scale or not. Just put the name of the fish and it will tell you. So there is nothing impossible. You can find out immediately in 2 minutes if this fish is halal or not, but you need to ask. This one you have to ask. You cannot compare this to the cookies. Why? Because cookie in nature is halal. But fish, who said fish in nature is halal? Nobody said that. We said there are 2 fish. One halal, one haram. In order for you to eat fish, you need to verify that the one you're eating is what? Of that kind, the halal one.